How to add a logo in your SENDGRID email. So first is log into your account. And once you're logged in, navigate to the marketing tab or section right here on the left sidebar, then click on it. And under that, you will see the single send. So you just simply need to click on that also. Now, once you're here, you can now create a new single send or select an existing one to edit. But for me, I'm just going to create a new one right here. So I'm going to click on create a single send. Then you can either go with templates given right here, or you could create your own. For me, I'm just going to create my own. So I'm going to click on select. Then you could either use the design editor or code editor. But for me, I'm going to go with design editor right here. So I'm just going to select design editor. Now, once you're here, just simply click on the build tab, then locate the image module right there, then click on it, then click and drag it right here, or basically wherever you want or your desired position within your email layout. But for me, I'm just going to put it right here to show you guys. So just like that, then this page will pop up. So you could either go to your files, then just simply drag and drop a file right here, or you could just simply click on choose images to upload, then it will bring you right there. So here I've uploaded one. Now if you want to insert it, you just simply need to click on it, and you could either edit it out if you want, but for me, I'm just going to click on insert image. And as you can see, it has been inserted just like so. Now after that, you just simply need to adjust and customize it to your liking. So you could resize the image by just simply clicking on it, and this will pop up. And as you can see, you can change the width. Let's say I want it 50. So as you can see, it became smaller just like that. If you want to reset it, just simply click on this arrow. You can also change the alignment if you want. You can also change the image responsiveness, the padding, and all the other stuff. You can even add a link URL and then alt text right there. And once you're satisfied, you simply need to click on save right here. And that is how you basically add a logo to your SENDGRID email.